It's a revolutionary new type of hearing test that is clinically viable for everyone, irrespective of the language that the patient speaks. So very valuable for London. The patient is presented with a wave-type sound and responds to a siren-like sound through the waves. So very easy to learn and adopt for audiology professionals, as it's similar procedure to existing tests we carry out. So the audiogram's done, then the ACT test straight after, because this dictates the presentation levels, and the results are then used to prescribe speech and noise modes tailored to the individual's processing ability. And this is to identify those who need more help. The test shows the patient's ability to separate or contrast speech and noise,